Hey guys. Hi friends, I made it to Dallas. I am waiting for my luggage right now. As you can see, my friend Rolf is waiting for me literally right outside the gate. But we made it. I am going to try and film this entire trip with my iPhone. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, I'm sorry, the B-roll and stuff for the flight was pretty... not a lot, but yeah, okay, it'll get better. Okay, bye. I picked it up already. Nothing cool, so yeah, sorry. Alright, guys, I am back on the vlog. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm terrible at doing this, but I got picked up from the airport. We are chilling at my friend's place. I will introduce you to him later. He's in a work meeting right now. But yep, I am here just chilling. On my free time while I'm waiting, I'm gonna search up what to do in Texas on YouTube and watch this video right here. I made it to Whataburger. So this is my first full meal in Texas and also my first time at Whataburger, so I was pretty excited. I got a #1 meal and I think it was a medium. Look at the size of this drink. It's like a super big gulp at 7-Eleven, so that caught me off guard. I didn't even finish it. Fries, a good portion actually. It's a lot. And that regular burger that comes with the #1, super simple. And yeah, I also got some ketchup in like these thingies, and I got spicy ketchup, and it's not even worth. So after eating all that, I am going to give it out of 10 a 4 out of 10. Sorry Texans, and sorry people who love it. It's just below average. Alright, so here's the rundown of the plan. We leave at 1 a.m. from Dallas and drive all the way to the southwest border of Texas, which is where Big Bend National Park is. Now, we're planning on getting there before noon, so the drive takes about 9 hours. So we got time, not too bad, and lots of things to see when the sun comes up. But yeah, let's go. Now, if you don't know a lot about Big Bend, no worries, here's some cool facts. 1, it's an international dark sky park, which means that there's basically no light pollution in the area. So it's probably one of the darkest skies in the lower 48 states. 2, it also lies on the border of US and Mexico with the Rio Grande River separating the two. And lastly, it's one of the least visited national parks because it's pretty hard to get to. So after 9 hours of driving from Dallas, we finally made it. Alright, we're going on a pretty hard hike right now, and look at this. Well, first of all, look at this. Black bears. Okay, bye. I'm a freak freaking videographer, baby.
Holy
moly.
The vlog is live.
That was awesome.
The vlog is live.
This is what's called the window view. But this is pretty cool because we have this all to ourselves. Nice little bench. Got really good signal out here for some reason. But that's nice. Alright, but we're just gonna chill on this little chair. Alright, hello everybody. I'm back with the vlog. Say what's up. Hey. Alright, so we are here at our little Airbnb bungalow. I don't know why I said it like that, bungalow. But there's two. There's one over there. Where Rolf is at right now. That, where's my finger? That is not a bungalow. That is an outhouse. And our bungalow that we're staying in is this one. You guys get a bungalow tour. Let's go in. Let's check it out. Oh, let's check out the outside. The outside, got a little hammock here with a little tarp, which is not really shading anything, as you can see. That's why we're kind of in the shade. Well, let's take you in on the inside. We got some fire, wood. All right, so we got some solar panels here, and let me show you. Oh, what the? That's a huge spider web. Okay, I thought it was the hammock material, but it's not. Look, that's what the front windows look like. And in our bungalow. Alright, let's check it out. Here's the tour of the bungalow. It's a bed, a table, and a couple fans, a light, and a portable charger, and a mirror, and a broom. Alright, thank you for coming to my bungalow tour. Hey guys, good morning. It's about 9 o'clock, 9:15 right now. We had a pretty eventful night after dinner. We took a lot of astrophotography that we did it on our phones. Check these pictures out. It's pretty cool. I couldn't believe that we took these pictures like on our phones. But if you want to see more of them, check out my Instagram. It's on the screen. It's on the screen. So right now, it got really cold last night. I don't know why I'm out of breath. No, but it got really cold last night. It went down to like, I don't know what it went down to, but now we're just kind of like getting up, as you can tell. But yeah, I think we're gonna do some like hikes today. Some pretty cool. Where are we going? Some canyon, and no. Alright, so first of all, this is not just some canyon. I'm so sorry. This is the Santa Elena Canyon, and we started here at the Maverick Junction entrance. Essentially, made our way through to the Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive, which is beautiful, by the way. Lots of trailheads, lots of places to take pictures and everything. And eventually, after 40 minutes of driving, we get to the Santa Elena trailhead. And let me tell you, it is gorgeous. No, you're good. All right, we're about to cross this fjord crossing, but not really. It's more of like a little clay. All right, ready? Okay, update. First of all, props to these guys doing it with kids.
Yeah, for real.
Really, it's muddy, it's rough. Look at our shoes.
Let alone with a crying 3-year-old.
Right. But the views are absolutely spectacular. Tiring because it's freaking muddy. But I'm sorry, this isn't what is this, vertical? But I'm sure in the next couple of clips will be really nice. So let's get through it. Update. I'm so sorry if it's shaky, but we've been on this trail, not because we've been on this trail for a while, but not because it's like hard. Because we just stop and take pictures every 20 feet, because it's so crazy. Like, look at that. Look behind us. Come on. All right, we made it to the end, and we know that because we can't go any further. There's a big rock over here. Last thing I wanted to show you guys is how cool this was. So right now we are on the banks of the Rio Grande. Over there is Mexico, and the land I'm standing on is the US, and that's the border. That's pretty surreal. It was really cool. All right, hey y'all. So that was essentially my adventures down in Big Bend. Now I know in the beginning of the video I said that I'll have a part that's kind of more in the Dallas area and what I'm doing there, but to be honest, I didn't really record too much because I wanted to enjoy my time with friends and I didn't want to worry about making a video or anything like that. So yeah, but I do have some highlights. Like I got a cowboy hat, and I was really excited for it. I'm still excited for it, but I got a cowboy hat, and I went to the Texas State Fair. And for those of you who do know about this fair, it's like a grand old thing that happens there in October. So yeah, more or less, I just enjoyed my time out there. Didn't really want to worry about anything else. So now I wanted to take this time and this part of the video to give you guys like a rough itinerary, but because this is my first one, I don't want to go too in depth unless you want me to. So please leave in the comments down below if you have any questions about my trips or anything that can help you if you're planning on going to Big Bend or anywhere else in the future I go. So for this trip, I talked about it earlier in the video. We left Wednesday morning / Tuesday night at like 1 a.m. so that we can get to the park before noon and essentially spend our time there kind of checking the park out and then checking into our Airbnb, kind of relaxing. And then we leave on Friday. So last thing I wanted to mention before I close this video out is an update on the van. Now, I know people who are watching this, Some of you are here because you saw my van building videos like months or maybe like a year ago. And I just wanted to give you an update. So, one, the van is definitely still kicking. I still drive it, so it's still good. Like, it's running, it's working. In terms of the build of the van, I'll be completely honest with you. Main reason why videos kind of stopped was because I just got lazy. I started a new job once I started making those videos, and so that kind of took priority over building it. And then the winter came, and then I just never really got back into it. So that's definitely the main reason why you didn't see any of these update videos or the van build videos. And two, I didn't want to keep spending more money than I needed to, so I kind of stopped putting money towards it. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I do plan on making an update video and kind of getting back into building it out a little bit more. I don't know if it's going to be for van life or more for like a weekend warrior kind of thing, weekend camping, just going to campgrounds. I don't know what the plan is yet, but we'll just see what happens. So, with that said, thank you for watching if you made it all the way to the end. I really appreciate you guys. If you have any kind of feedback, I am open to it. This is one of the first videos I've done in a while. And yeah, so with that, I will see you next time. Later.